So this one is a semi-automatic glue binding machine. Okay, first we turn on the power. Okay, and from here we can set the temperature. Okay, and maximum temperature is 150. You can't go beyond 150. After setting, you just enter the button, and this is the current temperature. It can be, plus minus 10-15 degrees depending upon the temperature of the glue tank. Okay, so don't worry about it. If it is more than 150, it will arrange accordingly. It will increase or decrease according to the temperature of this tank. Okay, so what we are doing, this is the handle for opening this clamp. Okay, when you turn clockwise, it will close. When you turn anti-clockwise, it will open. Okay, so here what we need to do, we need to insert the paper that we need to bind. Okay, these are the papers that we are putting in. Okay, we have put the paper inside. Okay, after putting the paper, with the help of this, just turn it clockwise, not anti-clockwise. Okay, so the pages will lock like this. It will not move. And this one is the clamping part, the closing part. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to take A3 paper. Okay, in my case I don't have the A3 paper, so I am putting the A4 paper. Okay, your paper size should be A3. Okay, that would be more like this only. Okay, so just first of all turn on the switch. So once you turn on the switch, the glue roller will start rotating. The milling cutter is not working. Okay, it will automatically work. When you move this thing from left to right, the milling cutter will automatically work. Okay, the main thing that you need to keep in mind is you have to move this thing slowly or uniformly. Okay, so like I'll show you how you need to move. Just give me a second. ये फोन पकड़ना, इस तरीके से दिखाओ कि पूरा नजर आए.
इशारा होला सब आएगा.
Okay, and with the help of this handle, move uniformly. Okay, don't move too fast, don't move too slow. And one more thing, these will be the two knobs. Okay, if you want the spine of your product to be square, then set it to 0 on both the sides. Okay, if you want the spine of the book to be round, then set it to 25 on both the sides. I want the spine to be square, so I have set from left and right to 0. Okay, so my spine, the spine of the book would be square, not round. Okay, so I am making one book for you. Okay, first we turn it on the switch. The glue roller is moving. Once we move the pages from left to right, the milling cutter will automatically work. Okay, so we are slowly and uniformly moving this. Just press the handle at the end. Okay, press it for at least 5-6 seconds. The quality would be good. Okay, after that just release this and you will get the final product. Okay, the glue is applied all over the book. Inside also it is very good. Okay, but one thing you need to keep one thing you need to keep in mind, na? You have to move this thing uniformly. Don't move too fast. Don't move too slow. Okay, and this would be at the back side. This would be the collection of that milling thing. Okay, this is the wastage. So you have to empty the bin again and again, like after making 50 100 books. And this let me show you the glue also. Shriram, glue ka dana dikha na. Once you make 4 5 books na, just do one thing. Either you can do it at the start or you can do in between also. These would be the glue part. Okay, so whenever you are doing the work, just put the glue like this only. Okay, and it will because the temperature is already somewhere around 150 160, so it will melt very easily. Always remember that the glue tank should not be empty. It should be almost 80 or to 85% fill. Okay, so I have checked the machine and I will